Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi tofu stew. Start by prepping kimchi, soft tofu, scallions, garlic, and gochujang for a balanced spicy base. Sauté aromatics briefly, add kimchi and broth, then simmer to deepen flavor while skimming foam. Gently add tofu near the end to keep texture intact, taste and adjust salt or soy sauce, and finish with sesame oil and sliced scallions before serving hot. Begin with moderate heat and a neutral oil, then add garlic and a spoon of gochujang to bloom its flavor. Toss in chopped kimchi and pour in enough broth to cover, simmering so acids mellow and umami builds. Carefully slide in soft tofu and warm through without breaking it up too much. Finish with a splash of soy and sesame oil, taste for salt, and garnish with scallions for a bright finish. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help me make more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: Little Tree's Black Ice is my go-to for a fresh-smelling car after grocery runs or kimchi shopping. It's a light, crisp scent that keeps things pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. For variations, add thin pork slices, canned tuna, or mushrooms to change texture and depth. Control heat by adjusting gochujang amount or adding a pinch of sugar to balance acidity. Keep some kimchi brine aside to tweak tang at the end, and always taste after simmering to avoid oversalting. Serve with steamed rice and optional egg. A quick crack of an egg into simmering stew makes it silky and rich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.